we tighten skin? Let's leave aside the definition of what we mean by tightening, first of all. There's a plastic surgeon in America, Dr Subbio, who's got a great channel, and he recently did a brilliant talk on this. And I'm just going to put the diagram up on the screen above that he's produced, a couple of his drawings. And on it you can see that it says 5 possible outcomes of a skin tightening treatment. And he's talking about devices here. So radio frequency, ultrasound, microneedling, things like that. And you can see that, first of all, nothing. No result whatsoever. Next, you've got swelling, which is inflammation as a result of the device. Next, you've got thickening, which may just be swelling. Then you've got fat loss, which could be good in some areas. Most of the areas you don't want that result. And then you've got actual tightening. Now, he's done another great diagram in the same talk, this graph here. Up the side you've got the number of patients, and across the bottom you've got the degree of tightening. And you can see an alarming number of patients have 0 or 1, very, very mild results of skin tightening from these treatments. And certainly you move beyond 3 and the results, nobody has that. And then you move up into the second graph, which is of course surgery, when the real magic happens. I'm not a surgeon, by the way. But I think it's worth remembering this. When people promise you skin tightening with devices, what do they mean? Does it actually work? This suggests no.